So hello and welcome to Fuel Mixologist. So today I think I'm ready now to finish the build on this Holley Carb. I received my parts from Holley that I've been waiting for like nearly a month. So they've now arrived. So I've got the rear metering block with 74s and the front metering block with 68, which is what we calculated in the previous video. So now it's just just a task of just putting this together quickly, and whilst I'm doing, I'll explain kind of what's the rationale again for the dual metering blocks, which is the jetting that I've calculated on this carb is a ballpark figure. So it is something that I think is going to work. Now, what happens if it doesn't work? It's very simple. You just take the bolts apart and you can just change the jetting to suit your particular engine. The problem with some Holley carbs, some LIS 1850 carbs, is that the secondaries, they have a metering plate which you cannot adjust the fueling, and therefore that could be a bit of a problem. But with this one what you do is just open up the secondary, change the jets, or the primary for that matter, and that's it, off you go. So let's have a look at this tube here. Yes, let me see if this is going to have, this tube is going to be a bit short. So what I need to do is I need to procure a longer tube with which I have got right here somewhere. This one, golden. Okay, and so let me change this for this. And is this tube clean? Yes, it is. So what we need to do is reset the O-ring though, because if not, it's not going to be fuel tight. So let's try this one more time. Yes, and now we can have some proper fuel control. There you go, fabulous. Okay, so this obviously one advantage of buying this kit from Holley, I'm going to show you now in a minute. Not only is it shiny, but also it has all the hardware that you need to make this conversion. So it's quite an easy plug and play. And the reason why I bought two of them is because the shipping rate was pretty much the same if you bought one and two. So I said, you know, I might as well have two, because I'm probably gonna do another project like this. So that's, and also kind of having shiny new hardware gives people a bit more confidence that the thing is actually brand new, which it is. There you go. Fabulous. Done. So I just have to cut the vacuum ports off. But there you go. So it's performance enhanced carburetor, about 50 CFM more, and you can vary the fuel across the primary and the secondary circuits. So this is ready to hit the road.